Whole heap of talk I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase bring the latest in our Wagwan entertainment and dancehall news. Remember, man, I want me to remind you if you do click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and to leave a like and a comment on the vlog. Now, viewers and subscribers. Now, viewers and subscribers, to the sheer number of collaborations between Vybz Kartel and Spice, there should be no doubt in your minds that Spice are definitely one of the best female dancehall artists to ever collaborate with Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. And if there is still doubt in your mind, make we analyze the data. Now, before we get into it, viewers and subscribers, may I say big up all of the other female dancehall artists that have worked with Vybz Kartel. From Lisa to Shiva to Gaza Indu, Vanessa, Shensia, Lola Smiles, as far back as Nina Sky, Shiva, if I mentioned her already. All of them definitely do a good job. And some people that point to the fact say Vybz Kartel are the person who write majority of the songs where him do with a lot of these female artists. As a matter of fact, all the names I call a while ago, majority of the song them do with Vybz Kartel, and Vybz Kartel write them. But viewers and subscribers, as I say, we're going to analyze the data. I'm going to point to this. And Vybz Kartel write the track, Ramping Shop. Him say the first artist will come to him mind for him do the track with a Spice. And him call her up and say, Spice, I have the track for you, you know. I have the track. We're going to get the whole of dancehall jumping, the whole of North America. I have the track. We are going to tap at number 7 on the Billboard. If you never know, number 7 it go on the Billboard. Go check it out if you don't believe me. Him say I have the track and him call her up. Now I could look into why out of all of the female dancehall artists with Vybz Kartel in connection with, why him choose Spice out of all of them to say, yo, I could do that track here. It was because of how Spice deliver fair dancehall performance and how she record fair dancehall music. The way she articulate, the way she project her voice and her level of raunchy. It is somewhat reminiscent of a Lady Saw and a Patra. The reason why I say Patra songs too was definitely dancehall and raunchy, but it was also dance inspired. And if you know anything about Spice and the direction she take her career in her right now, it is definitely raunchy, but at the same time, dance infused. All of the music you can dance to, whether you want to call it bedroom music or you want to call it dance music, it still have the vibe there and the bounce there to make you move. But the Lady Saw level of raunchy is definitely there as well. Big up Patra and big up Mama Saw. You know what I mean? Spice is definitely a fusion between those two artists and still an individual representation of herself. So, you know what I mean? With that being said, she definitely bring her own thing to it, making her Spice the dancehall queen right now. So, viewers and subscribers, as I said, that was definitely a contributing factor why Vybz Kartel decides, yeah, Spice we're going to put on a track here. And as time go on, as I said, the sheer number of collaborations, conjugal visit, back way as recent, we start realize say, yo, Spice. At this point in time, some people are not even sure if a Vybz Kartel still write the songs entirely or Spice write her own verses now. Because the fact is, the style of music, the fact that Vybz Kartel is a phenomenal writer as well. Him can know and listen to a Spice track and know side. This is the type of energy where Spice bring. Because when a songwriter write a song for your next artist, then put their mind in the mind frame of the next artist. Remember, Vybz Kartel pen track for some of the biggest name in the music. I must say Vybz Kartel co-wrote Who Run the World, where a whole heap of people are talking about it as of recent. Since I talk about it in a vlog, but you know there's something going on. So there's something going on. I'm glad for the strength, glad for what I want. Anyway, him also write songs for other artists in the industry. The Bounty track them. And if Vybz Kartel and Bounty never say, a Vybz Kartel write that track there, we wouldn't know. Just like how Shano tell us that him write Lifestyle for Yannick the Curvy Diva. And if Shano never says so, nobody would have known. Because when a songwriter write a song, they put themselves in the mindset of the artist they write the song for. So Vybz Kartel is definitely a phenomenal writer. So I can still him write the song them in its entirety. But Spice definitely all our own so much. Pan the rhythm, as I say, even if it's the next artist, write the song for you. It's the energy where you bring to it. Yeah, all songwriters will tell you that. Say, we will make a song, but it will sound flat. It just not have that wow factor about it. I want to give it to a particular singer, recording artist, and them do them song, it just that much bigger because the vibes and the vice where them bring to the song, it just, you know what I mean, it fit them. It more go for them. So some of the time that's the case. And with Spice, when she and Vybz Kartel link up viewers and subscribers, and I'm not normal. I point to a recent track, Back Way, and we see rise and top the charts. Yeah, it rise and trend on the YouTube charts, viewers and subscribers. And we listen to Spice part of the track, then we have to definitely say, yo, Spice are all our own. The ladies, them love Spice line. Normally, in a certain features, all certain artists can get if you do is say, yo, yeah, for them verse it alright, but you just focus on Vybz Kartel part. With this track, I realize say Spice definitely all her own. And she talk some things. Teacher say man, handle the business. And she say she deal with it as well. And I say, yo, see she Spice, I have to definitely big you up and say you all your own dancehall music, mama. And we talk about achievements. Spice is one of the most accredited female dancehall artists of this day and age then, with Vybz Kartel work with. Talk which other artists in the dancehall genre of this day and age with Vybz Kartel work with has received a popcorn trophy. And if you know what a popcorn trophy is a MTV Movie Award trophy. Yeah, which other female dancehall artist that Vybz Kartel has worked with is was currently on a a worldwide reality TV series. Spice alone. Which other female dancehall artists that work with Vybz Kartel we can say we see her fly in and out at the island weekly. I'm not talking about every other week she fly, I mean multiple times. And this is not speculation. She put up the snaps them for prove it. Mama fly, yo, recently we see Mama go say boom and they are the BT Awards. I think boom she says boom and flick from BT got now. Before that, I think we see her the MTV Awards. Boom, Mama flick come on yard. Boom, early in the morning we see she gone back a foreign again. Boom, we see she make her next move. Then we see she there at the BT Awards. Boom, she gone back to New York. Till Mama say, yo, she feel like, say, yo, if I even just one day, she like a day when she just can get a break. To how hectic the schedule gets more while. Because the energy are forward in. You know what I mean? The accolades are forward in. People definitely are book her. People want to see her. Whether it be a performance, an interview, whether it be an award show. You know what I mean? And it's a good look. It's a good energy. Enough people pray. Work extremely hard. If you're a career like with Spice have. You know what I mean? And to see how it starts from humble beginnings. Remember when Ninja Man just bring her out on stage? Some people don't remember that. Enough people don't remember that, don't it? Enough people remember. You know what I mean? And remember when teachers say you fall upon the big feature ramping shop? You know what I mean? I remember when you say yo, she dey on Love and Hip Hop. Remember when we start see her put on some big performances and the song them attack the charts and we are say yo, Spice. She'll do it. She definitely do it viewers and subscribers. You see when the street start crown her the queen. Just to the type of music she put out and the reach, the far reach where dancehall music have, and we start to the different places in the world where Spice go and the different places where she carry the dancehall band and go put it up and I say dancehall I deal with. We don't love dancehall and people are say yeah we love the dancehall vibe and we are say yo Spice she definitely at work. You know what I mean? If we big her up, definitely one of the best female dancehall artists me seen in my personal opinion ever collaborate with Vybz Kartel in this day and age. If you agree, drop the comment in the comment section. I know what your thoughts on it. Let me know no. Drop in the comment section and tell me what your thoughts on the whole entire reasoning. Leave a like on the blog if you like anything where you hear viewers and subscribers. And I remind you that again, I want to remember man. Click the subscribe icon, then click the bell icon, so you stay notified with what go on in the dancehall entertainment viewers. So you know what go on with my channel. So you know when me drop my thing them. You get me I say? So just click the subscribe icon and click the bell icon after that. You're good to go. And as I say, continue reasoning. Your comments matter to us over here. So drop your comment in the comment section. I can know what you think on it. Yeah, leave a like on the vlog as I said before. Live, love and prosper viewers. And I'm out.